അടിപൊളി. Hi friends, at some point I'm sure we have all wanted to try something new, tasty and different with our rice. Today I have one interesting recipe called tomato pachadi or tomato kadhi that can accompany your plain white rice. Ingredients: 4 tomatoes chopped into cubes, 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of mustard seeds, 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, 1 cup curd, 1 strand of curry leaf, salt for taste and 1 green chilli. Firstly, transfer the tomatoes in a vessel. Add the turmeric powder and required amount of salt and water just up to the level of the tomatoes. Keep it on a stove and let it cook. Meanwhile, transfer the grated coconut to a mixie jar. Add the green chilies and mustard seeds and grind it. Add the curd to this and grind it to a paste. To this consistency. Now you can see the tomatoes are also completely cooked. Add the coconut and curd paste to the tomatoes. Immerse the curry leaf into the mixture and make sure you don't boil this since it might get spoiled. Switch off the flame when it begins to form a frothy layer like this. As a last step, add 1 spoon of coconut oil to this. Serve the tomato pachadi with hot rice and your favorite vegetable. That's all for today, friends. If you like my recipes, don't forget to like, share and comment. Hit the subscribe button to be notified whenever a new video comes up. Thanks for watching.